Well, it is day 3 of the lockdown in Hyderabad, and now we are going to take a drive around the city to find out what is the kind of intensity with which Hyderabad is actually imposing the lockdown. We are now at Charminar. We are going to drive towards the city, and we'll try to find out. We'll show you, in fact, how many people are there on the road, how many vehicles is there actually checking by the Hyderabad police, so that we get an idea about how strictly the lockdown is being imposed in Hyderabad. Well, right now we are at King Koti. From Charminar, where we started, we came via Chadarghat, and then now we have come to King Koti, around 4 to 5 kilometers from Charminar, where we had started. So far we haven't been stopped by anyone. Let me show you how the roads look. Still look deserted, but a few people here and there, a lot of them Swiggy and Zomato, but you can see how there are few people on the roads. But however, we haven't been stopped as yet by the police, nor has there been any checking. There have been places where police deployment is there. You can see how people are freely roaming here, but not too many people on the road. A couple of vehicles, some of them have essential boards put up on front. Some of them are media vehicles. But on the whole, if you see, not many people on the road. We'll continue our journey to see how far we can go without being stopped by the police. This is one of the prominent junctions here. What you see on the right is Nizam Club, and this is Ravindra Bharati, a popular auditorium. What you see here is police deployment here in large numbers. You can see how the roads have been barricaded. There are quite a number of people on the road, but they're not really stopping vehicles. They've only gathered together in a large number. You can continue to see this particular road. We're taking you across the city. So here you can see how all the restaurants and the shops are closed. This is where Birla Mandir is on the right side, and you can see how hardly any people on the road. No police deployment in this particular area, but yes, shops are closed, and you don't really see a lot of vehicles in this part of the city. We're slowly moving from Old City region towards the new city. We're going to Secunderabad side. The Tank Bund is in between. We are now going towards the Tank Bund, and we'll show you how it is, at least in this part of the city. Well, we are near the Telangana Secretariat, and we are going. You can see how forward there is a barricade that has been put up. It says Hyderabad City Police Checkpost. Let's see whether we are going to be stopped. Okay, we don't seem to be stopped here, but yes, this particular vehicle in front, they seem to be asking. Okay, well, they haven't asked us here as well. We were unlikely that they would stop us because they can see the camera, one, and second, we have press written on the car. But anyway, the car in front, they had stopped and they asked where they were heading to. But you can see how on the road there are a couple of vehicles, probably some of them going to hospital, some of the medicines. But unlike the usual complete lockdown, we can see a couple of vehicles on the roads, all of them probably with the reason. So far, we are heading towards Tank Bund. We haven't been stopped as yet. We did come across a couple of barricades of the police. One particular place we saw right now where the car in front of us was stopped and they were asked where they were going. Well, we are here at the heart of the city at Panjagutta. It's a huge junction here. You can see how there are a couple of vehicles here. On the left side, you can see how there are a lot of people waiting at the junction. There is a policeman standing here, but no barricade set up. That's one big difference we are seeing from lockdown 1. Where last year every major junction had barricades set up, a lot of policemen, they were stopping people. Now, for example, we have come from Charminar, Chadarghat, King Koti, we took the Tank Bund, and then we came via Prasad's IMAX, Somajiguda, Rajbhavan Road, and then Panjagutta. And so far we haven't been stopped by the police. We saw barricades at 2 places, we saw one car being stopped, but apart from that, we haven't been stopped anywhere. So it's a free journey so far. Number of people on the roads are less, definitely, but also this time number of barricades set up much lesser than last time. You can see on the roads how they are kind of deserted, which means people are cooperating, which means it makes the job much easier for the Hyderabad police. Well, from Banjara Hills we have come towards Massive Tank, and now we are at Mehdipatnam. You can see this flyover. This is called the PVNR Expressway. The vehicles that are going up are the ones that are heading towards the airport, and the road down, this is Mehedipatnam. We'll be showing you how the crowd is over here. We have covered around 14 to 15 kilometers in Hyderabad city itself. We have seen only 2 barricades. Police deployment was there in a couple of places, but we haven't been stopped anywhere. You can see how there are several vehicles on the road, but generally Mehedipatnam is an area which is densely populated, and especially during Ramzan it has a lot of people, street vendors, it has a market close by. This is a very famous mosque here, and you can see how compared to that it remains deserted, the entire area. Yes, we can see one barricade over here. Let's wait and watch whether we will be stopped here by the police. We will be asked why we are out. There are a couple of people, and in fact if you notice there were some bikers who were turning and heading back. That is probably because they saw this barricade over here. Okay, here as well the police looks like they saw the camera and that's why they let us go. They haven't really asked us to stop. You can see how a lot of police vehicles are here, but otherwise, like I said, you can take one more look that side, how the road is empty. That was the 3rd barricade that we saw in the 15 kilometers that we covered. A lot of police deployment here. What we have noticed is that especially in the old city regions, Chamnar, Chadargarh and now Mehedipatnam side, we are seeing a lot of police deployment, but whereas the other areas of the city, most of the people are inside. We haven't seen much people out, unless they are essential services, and deployment is also lesser. And compared to lockdown 1 last year, we are seeing that fewer people are there. Police from the police department. Here you can see a lot of people, how these people are actually on the road. The bikers, they are keeping their eyes out because they are trying to go this way, because you see on the right here you can see how there are barricades. The police are actually checking, so they're all taking the wrong route here and going to avoid that checking. So people are finding their way out. Those who want to head out are heading. The police trying to impose the lockdown strictly. Well, we are in Attapur right now, and after around 15 kilometers in the city, we can conclude that there are barricades in a couple of places, but we haven't been stopped anywhere. In fact, if you see here on the right side, you can see how there is a barricade set up, but police not really stopping any vehicles. There are a couple of policemen deployed here. Some bikers have been checked as to what exactly is happening. In the city, in the route that we took, 15 kilometers we covered, we were stopped not even once. In Mehedipatnam we were almost stopped, but I think they saw the camera, so they let us go. Otherwise, compared to lockdown 1, we are seeing the number of barricades that have been set up is much lesser, and people are there on the roads, but not as much as usual, because especially in this part there are thousands of people who are usually on the roads in this part of the city. People are cooperating with the lockdown, and we are hoping that the efforts of the state government and the police will eventually yield good results. Reporting from Attapur in Hyderabad, this is Paul Lumin for the News Minute.